And here it is, the new project. This is a 1.6 litre MX5 NB. It came to me in, well, complete condition, but I didn't think to record anything until now. But here it is. It came with a 1.8 Torsen diff, some getting tired Bilstein suspension, and it came on some, well, poorly painted MS01Rs, which unfortunately don't have the center caps, but we'll work with it. As usual with the Mark IIs and 2.5 MX5s, they do suffer very badly with rust on the front chassis rails. I'll give you a look at mine here. I have the airbox and intake taken off just to really see what's happening, and there's quite a bit of surface rust, but it's nothing that I won't be able to handle, hopefully. And there's the little motor, mostly stock from what I can see in the power department. Still got the charcoal canister and an aftermarket alarm. I have the wing taken off just to get into the wheel arch and really, you know, take care of it. Coming around to the back of the car, usually down here where the battery is rusted out, but mine seems to be at least somewhat okay. But I do have some rust issues in the spare wheel well, and well, it's not too big of an issue. I'll treat it and weld in a new panel. Came with a hard top, which was nice. Well, they're not the easiest part to get, so it's always nice when it comes with them. This is a Jap import car. If you notice any differences between this and, well, a European or maybe a USDM model, let me know, because I'm not completely up to speed on these cars, but I'm learning as I go. Now it does have a Razzo short shifter, so that was nice, and from what I can tell, this center console is aftermarket because mine is missing the little armrest, but it's not really an issue. Yeah, well, here are the clocks, nothing awfully exciting, and here's just a bit of a look at the interior. I have the cover for the ECU pulled off just so I could see what was in it, just in case I was lucky and got something, but it's stock, so I'll be buying an ECU at some stage and tuning it. But yeah, here it is as we sit. Soft top's in very good condition, or sorry, the hard top, other than the two little nicks here. And there's the soft top behind. Now I know that these cars have been covered extensively on pretty much every facet of the internet, but I will make this series as in detail or brief as people want. So just leave a comment down below if you wish to have more in-depth explanations about any part, any process, any of the work carried out, and I will do that. But if people aren't interested, it will be a brief overview of how things are carried out. But if, as I say, if anyone wants more information, I'll be happy to give it.